Ford hasn't kept the upcoming F-150 Lightning a secret, evidenced by the company's million-pound towing stunt from 2019. The Lightning shares much of the regular F-150's body and cabin but swaps that truck's gasoline-powered V6 and V8 engine options for a pair of electric motors and one of two different battery packs. The standard range battery is said to deliver up to 230 miles per charge, and the extended range juice pack is aiming for 300 miles. But by the time the 2022 F-150 Lightning reaches the market, it won't be the only all-electric pickup truck. GMC's Hummer EV SUT is close to its launch, and a rival truck from upstart Rivian may also beat Ford to the punch. Neither of those trucks, however, have the strength of the F-150 name behind them, and the electric version of America's favorite truck will surely be an impressive piece when it goes on sale sometime in spring 2022. The 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning full-size all-electric pickup is a thunderbolt that strikes at the heart of an industry hurtling toward adoption of electric cars. That heart is shaped like, well, the American full-size pickup truck market. The F-150 has been the best-selling truck for 44 years running, and Ford has tampered with it big time to produce the new electric Lightning. Ford used the name previously on its SVT-branded performance pickup discontinued after the 2004 model year. The F-150's combustion engine is replaced with batteries and electric motors, normally an insignificant, regulation-satisfying pivot in today's car market, but on a high-volume vehicle such as the F-150, it potentially represents a seismic shift, not just for Ford but also for the industry and its overall adoption of EVs. The Lightning's interior is almost identical to that of the regular F-150 crew cab. In practical terms, you'll get a spacious cabin that marries intuitively executed physical controls and an easy-to-use central touchscreen. Available features are also similar to what you'll find in the standard F-150. These include the available fold-out center console table, front seats that recline nearly flat so you can stretch out and take a nap, and a lockable storage bin under the rear seat. One notable optional upgrade is a 15.5-inch vertically aligned touchscreen. Lariat and Platinum models receive the first application of Sync 4A housed in a 15.5-inch touchscreen. Systems like voice control, cloud-connected navigation, and wireless access to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated Amazon Alexa are all there. Drivers will enjoy a 12-inch, fully customizable gauge cluster with animated graphics. The optional fold-out interior work surface and fully reclining seats are carried over from the 2021 F-150. All F-150 Lightning models come standard with 2 electric motors and all-wheel drive. With the standard range battery, the motors combine to make 426 horsepower, but with the extended range battery the horsepower rating rises to 563. Peak torque is an impressive 775 pound-feet with either setup. Performance should be brisk, but we'll have to wait until we can strap our test gear on to find out exactly how quick the new truck will be. Ford has also submitted patents for a removable range extender motor disguised as one of those aftermarket, bed-mounted toolboxes. The motor would kick in to recharge the battery in the event there's no charging station nearby. So far we haven't seen the real-life version of such a concept, but it could join the F-150 Lightning at launch as an add-on option. The Lightning has 2 motors, front and back, for standard 4WD. Ford engineers say it will accelerate to 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds with the extended range battery, which generates 563 horsepower and 775 pound-feet of torque and provides 300 miles of range on a single charge. The standard battery provides the same torque but drops to 426 horsepower and 230 miles of range. The Lightning is the first vehicle to use this dedicated Ford electric vehicle platform, but it won't be the last. There are no plans to add a third motor for a performance version or add more cab and bed configurations, but this could change if Ford feels there's enough demand. Reserve your F-150 Lightning. Be among the first to own the all-new 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. Choose your dealer. Fill out the reservation form and make a reservation. The entry model starts at $39,974 MSRP, commercial-oriented. More equipped mid-series, XLT, starts at $52,974 MSRP. Offering additional comfort and technology. MSRP starting at $39,974 up to around $90,474.10.